And effectively, what I'm going to do, if you come over here with the, there's a floor support right here, steps right here. So what I want to do is cut all this out where the side of this is and notch it down so that 4x4 will actually be 7 inches, 5.5, 5 5/8 to be 7 and 7 1/8 longer than 28.5. So that would be 35 and 5/8. But we'll have a 7 1/8 inch notch, and we'll cut this section out and go down in here, and then I can fasten on both sides from this way and from this way, and it'll give this 4x4 standing out in the middle of nowhere something of a support. But we'll have to cut with a a Sawzall through here and cut all this out so it'll slide down in there. Got the cord over here. You want to cut right beside that, all the way out.
Alright.
All this comes out. You hit the floor joist right there.
Oh, that's it.
Yeah, so what you'll have to do is cut at an angle over to this corner and then an angle over to this corner.
Okay. I'm pretty sure that kept waiting on it.
Alright, let's cut this off. Then use your cord over here. We'll end up using the Sawzall too.
Use the Sawzall to notch it.
So this is going to be 1 7/8. Which you can do with a speed square, but and then we're cutting out 7 1/8. This is all drywall habits. Just check the depth on the saw. One 7/8.
We're at 2 1/4
One side. It must not be square. But it's close.
7.5
Don't
I went
get to laugh anyway. Alright. Coming off the side here. Let's lay it down. You can get up here. Then we got it's got to be cut down on one side to 3 inches, so got to cut 1/2 inch off.
one side.
Yeah, this will be like this.
Yeah.
This side over here has got to be cut off because we don't have enough depth this way.
Oh, lovely.
So if you use your saw, how you do it?
Big. Bigfoot coming to get us. He's saying, "You're taking too long to go to lunch."
Sasquatch saw me and nobody believes him. We'll cut right through here a little bit more. I'm gonna take the saws off and clean it up. Over to the saw blade.
Run the blade back down it.
Should clean up.
Ah, 2 males. Don't work.
work.
You need a male and a
I've
female.
been saying that for a long time. Well, it ends up being an odd looking shape.
Jigsaw puzzle. See if I cut everything right. Need the bam bam and
Yeah, just take it down. Move it over down here. Screw all that together.
yep. Where did you go? Out.
Right there. That's pretty good. Okay, fasten that all the way. Fasten it from underneath here.
Yep.
and over there.
Now that's all tied together.
What I've done is mark 7 inches up, which is lots of room to push snow off, push leaves off, clothes off, and tell you another little something. The 2x4 is going to go above this, and the 2x4 is going to go below this and be in the center. So when I'm working by myself, I put a screw right there. Length in between here, and set that in, and then fasten it from the sides where the screws. But in this case, I got plenty of help. But